So yeah, Brittany and I are just catching the sunrise right now. At the moment, we're just walking around exploring the city. I feel like you have to give an opportunity to go and like soak in the moments, and something that I always love to do. Look how beautiful this looks, babe. Oh my god. We went to go eat Fern Forest Cafe. Not my kind of style though. I like the rawness. So we're at a lovely quaint coffee shop that it's called Bird's Nest. And Brittany's like sitting on the floor.
We got Nan on the floor. It is down.
I wanted to get up here where you can go for the sunrise, but it's... So right now we're going to a place called Doi Sita. I came up on this road when it's completely empty because every day there's always people here. So back to 2016, 17, I was here.
Yeah, I remember seeing that picture.
It's on my Instagram right now.
Yeah.
It's still there, and
like, wow.
This is that.
This is just...
I know. But imagine coming up here like 6 or 5 a.m. Nobody's here, not even a soul in sight.
See, when you go down,
you guys stay halfway.
That lady. So we made it. This place is called Doi Sita, and this is it. This is peak.
5,140 something feet in the air.
I feel like you can, I don't know, that's Maya Mall, that's Maya Mall.
Let's remember, Maya Mall's on this side. Because remember, we're at the top of the mountain.
There's the airport.
Yeah, the airport's on this side, so Maya Mall's over here. Going down a little bit more, but this is another spot as well too.
Yeah, beautiful wood carving there. Look at all the little engravings.
Alright, gotta go in. Such a cute boy. No, it's okay. Thank you.
So bright.
Want a photo of it?
All the ladies are doing what we did at the
Yep.
we're in Arizona.
Yep. How's the experience, baby? You like it? Yeah. Yeah? It's insane. Bye. 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 So we decided to stop by and get some smoothies. a drink. Have some Thai tea. And then over there is the steps. How did you feel when you went to the bathroom? So, Brittany and I had to go take care of like some normal stuff, right? Housekeeping stuff, which is like laundry and whatnot. And so we walked down the street because our hotel is over there. And so like there's a little spot where you can just do your laundry and you just hang to dry. But we wanted to take care of all this before we jump over to another country. It's crazy. But like we're walking through the neighborhood. The woman said to come back in an hour. And so we did. I was trying to go find a place to get a haircut because this heat though, it's making your boy's hair all fucking buck wild. Oh. Gonna go back to our hotel now, hang to dry, and then we're off to get a massage, and I don't know what else we're gonna do. I know, but we've been exploring all day.
Been loving it.
And your boy's dying. I need a feet rub. Feet rubs over here in Thailand, it's the best. You need to do this whenever you're in Thailand, only because like it's a must. Like if you don't, you're gonna struggle. You're gonna struggle with life. So I decided to get a haircut here in Chiangmai, Thailand. I thought it would be a good idea. My hair's totally a mess, and yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be nice. So I just finished on my haircut. It looks so good. Damn! I even told the guy, this place is actually really, really good. Here, Gentleman, what is it? Gentleman's Osk. It's really cool. 150 baht, which is roughly around like $5. I gave him another like 100 baht. So it was like $10 roughly. Again, like $10 for a haircut. Like let's just see, like it's actually damn good. I feel like an anime character. So good. I love it. So yeah, so this is pretty nice.